Om Gulam Namaste, my dear Tantrika students. In the last class, we have started the theorem relationship between trigonometric ratios, okay? And we have completed the two theorems, okay? Two theorems, theorem number 1 and theorem number 2, okay? Now we are going to discuss about theorem number 3, okay? That is nothing but prove that in any right angle triangle cos theta into sec theta equal to 1, okay? That is the theorem statement, okay? Now I have to prove this, okay? For suppose take a right angle triangle ABC, okay? A, B, C. At the bond B, we are having rectangle, and at the bond A, we are having theta 1, and at the bond C, we are having theta 2. Theta 2. Okay? Now, you have to prove this. Okay? Now, given data. Okay? Given. What is given? Okay? Given. Okay? Okay? Given the given what is given? ABC is a rectangle triangle. ABC is a rectangle triangle with angle ABC equal to 90 degrees. ABC equal to 90 degrees. Angle BAC equal to theta 1. Angle BAC equal to theta 1. And angle BCA equal to theta 2. BCA equal to theta 2. Okay, now that is the gain data. Okay, now RTB. What is RTB? RTB means what? Required to prove. Okay? Required to prove. Cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. Cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. Sec theta is equal to 1. Okay, now proof. Okay, proof. Okay, no proof. Listen carefully. Very easy proof. Okay, now write down. Given that ABC is a rectangle triangle, with the angle ABC equal 90 degrees, angle BAC equal theta 1, and angle BC equal to theta 2. Okay? Now, given that ABC is a rectangle triangle with the angle ABC equal to 90 degrees, angle BCA BAC equal theta 1, angle BAC equal to theta 1, and angle BCA equal to theta 2. BCA equal to theta 2. Okay? Now, for angle BAC equal to theta 1, for angle for angle BSC equal to theta 1, BSC equal to theta 1, theta 1, theta 1, adjacent side equal to AB, adjacent side equal to AB, opposite side equal to BC, opposite side equal to BC, hypotenuse equal to AC, hypotenuse equal to AC, okay? Now, for angle theta 1, for angle theta 1, for angle theta 1, cos theta 1 is defined as, for angle theta 1, cos theta 1 is defined as, cos theta 1 is defined as definition, we are writing, okay? Cos theta 1 is defined as adjacent side by hypotenuse, adjacent side by hypotenuse, okay? From the figure, from the figure, means what when the cos theta 1 to the right angle triangle ABC, okay? Now from the figure, cos theta 1 is defined as cos theta 1 equal to, cos theta 1 equal to what? Adjacent side. What is adjacent side? AB. AB by H hypotenuse AC. Okay, this is equation number 1. Okay, now for angle theta 1, for angle theta 1, for angle theta 1, sec theta 1 is defined as sec theta 1. Sec theta 1 is defined as, sec theta 1 is defined as hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay, now from the figure, from the figure, from the figure, from the figure, on the figure, sec theta 1 is defined as, sec theta 1 is defined as, sec theta 1 equal to H by E, hypotenuse by adjacent. What is hypotenuse? AC. AC by AB. Okay, AC by AB. Okay, this is equation number 2. Okay, now multiplying equation 1 and 2. Now multiplying equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We get cos theta 1 into sec theta 1 equal to cos theta 1 into 60,000. 60,000 equal to 40,000 equal to what? AB by AC. Okay? AB by AC. Okay? Into 60,000 equal to AC by AB. AC by AB. So AB get cancelled. AC get cancelled. Okay, equal to 1 now. Okay, therefore 40,000 into 60,000 equal to 1. 40,000 into 60,000 equal to 60,000 equal to 1. This is equation number 3. Okay? Any doubts? Now, theta 1 completed. Now we are going to discuss about the theorem DM for theta 2. Okay? Now we are going to discuss about the same theorem for theta 2. Okay? Now, look at carefully. Now for angle BCA equal theta 2. For angle BCA equal to theta 2. Okay, adjacent side equal to BC. Adjacent side equal to BC. Opposite side equal to AB. Opposite side equal to AB. Hypotenuse equal to AC. Okay? Now, for angle theta 1, for angle theta 1, cos theta 1 is defined as cos theta 1 equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, now on the figure, for theta 2, sorry, for angle theta 2. Okay? For angle theta 2, so cos theta 2 is defined as cos theta 2 equals adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay? Now on the figure, cos theta 2 is defined as cos theta 2 is defined as cos theta 2 equal to what? Adjacent side. What is adjacent side? BC by AC. Okay? Adjacent side equal BC, our hypotenuse equal to AC. So cos theta is equal to BC by AC. Okay. This is equation number 4. Okay. Now for angle theta 1, for angle theta 2, for angle theta 2, for angle theta 2, sec theta 2 is defined as sec theta 2 is defined as hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay, now from the figure, on the figure sec theta 2 is defined as sec theta 2 equal to H. What is H? Hypotenuse. AC by BC. Okay, AC by BC. AC by BC. Okay. Now this is equation number 5. Okay. Now multiplying equations 4 and 5. Okay. Now multiplying equations 4 and 5. We get here multiplication 10. So we have to multiply both equations 4 and 5. Okay. Multiplying the equation 4 and 5, we get cos theta 1, cos theta 2 into sec theta 2. Cos theta 2 into sec theta 2. Sec theta 2. Okay. Equal to what? Cos theta 2 equal to what? BC by AC. Okay, BC by AC. Okay. Into sec theta equal to what? AC by BC. Okay, AC by BC. AC by BC. Okay. Now AC get cancel. BC get cancel. Okay, what is equal to 1? Okay, therefore cos theta 2 into sec theta 2 equal to cos theta 2 into sec theta 2. Okay, sec theta 2 equal to 1. Okay, this is equation number 6. Okay, now from equation 3 and 6, you can prove that cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. Okay, from equation 3 and 6, we can prove that cos theta into sec theta. Cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. Okay. Okay, this so cos theta into sec theta equal 1. This theorem has nothing but your formula. Okay. So remember this formula that will be helpful in doing the problem creating trigonometry. Okay. Now this is theorem number 3. Now let us discuss about the next theorem, that is theorem number 4. Okay. Now the next theorem is theorem number 4. Okay, that is nothing but the statement is in any right angle triangle prove that sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Okay? Means what we have to prove that sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta by using right angle triangle. Okay? Now, let us see that. Okay? Now given ABC is a right angle triangle with the angle ABC equal to 90 degrees. ABC equal to 90 degrees. Comma. Angle BAC equal to theta 1 and angle ACB equal to theta 2. ACB equal to theta 2. Okay, now RTP. What is RTP is a zone. RTP means what? Equal to prove. Okay, RTP means what? Equal to prove. Okay, what is equal to prove? Sin theta by cos theta equal to sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta equal to tan theta. Okay, this we have to prove. Okay, now that is nothing but RTP. Okay, now we have to prove. We have to give the proof. Okay, given that ABC is a right angle triangle, with angle ABC equal to 90 degrees, angle ABC equal to 90 degrees, angle ABC equal to 90 degrees, comma, next angle BCA equal to angle BAC equal to theta 1, angle BAC equal to theta 1, and angle BAC, angle ACB equal to theta 2, angle ACB equal to theta 2. Okay, now for angle BAC equal to theta 1, for angle BAC equal to theta 1, VAC equal to theta 1, the trigonometric functions sin theta 1, cos theta 1 and tan theta 1 are defined as, okay, these are general definitions, okay. Now I give VAC equal to theta 1 and sin theta 1 equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta 1 equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, Now tan theta 1 equal to opposite side by adjacent side, okay, opposite side by adjacent side, okay, okay. Now from the figure, these are general definitions, okay. Now we are applying the general definitions to the right angle triangle ABC. So we get on the figure, on the figure sin theta 1 equal to what? Sin theta 1 equal to what? Sin theta 1 equal to what? Opposite by hypotenuse, okay. Opposite, what is opposite side? Angle A, BC, okay. BC by hypotenuse equal to AC, okay. Okay, without writing adjacent side, opposite side, hypotenuse also, by using the geometrical figure, right angle triangle, we can define the trigonometry ratio. So this is equation number 1. Okay, sin theta 1 equal to BC by AC. Okay, cos theta 1 equal to AB by AC, adjacent side by hypotenuse, okay. AB by AC, okay. This is equation number 2, okay. Now tan theta 1 equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, okay. So opposite side equal to what? BC, adjacent side equal to what? AB. So BC by AB, okay. BC by AB, okay. This is equation number 3, okay. Now dividing equations 1 and 2. Dividing equations 1 and 2, we get sin theta 1 divided sin theta 1 by cos theta 1 equal to cos theta 1 equal to, using this deviation symbol we can write it as sin theta 1 by sin theta 1 divided by cos theta 1. Sin theta 1 divided by cos theta 1. Okay, cos theta 1 equal to, what is sin theta 1? BC by AC. Okay, BC by AC into BC by AC divided by BC by AC divided by cos theta 1 what? AB by AC. AB by AC. AB by AC. Okay, that equal to BC by AC into the division changes into multiplication. Okay, so division changes into multiplication. So this will change into reciprocal. Okay, means in never order. Okay, so AC by BC, AC by AB, AC by AB. Okay, AC by AB. Okay, AC gets cancelled. BC into 1 BC by AB into 1 AB. Okay, that is equation that is equal to tan theta 1. That is equal to tan theta 1. Okay, that is equal to tan theta 1. Tan theta 1. Okay, from equation number 3. From equation 3. Okay, therefore sin theta 1 by sin theta 1 by cos theta 1. Cos theta 1 equal to tan theta 1. Tan theta 1. Tan theta 1. Tan theta 1. Okay, this is equation number 4. Okay, for angle theta 1, sin theta 1 by cos theta 1 equal tan theta 1. Proved. Okay, now you have to apply the same process for angle theta 2. For angle theta 2 we have to apply. Okay, let us see how it is. Now we are going to see about the same theorem for angle theta 2. Okay, now look at the board carefully. Very easy topic. You can score more number of marks by using the chapter trigonometry. Okay, now for angle theta 2. Now for angle BAC equal theta 2 BCA. Okay, sorry, for angle BCA. Okay, for angle BCA equal to theta 2 equal to theta 2. Adjacent side equal to BC. Opposite side equal to AB. hypotenuse equal to AC. Okay, now for angle theta 2, for angle theta 2, for angle theta 2, okay, sin theta 2, cos theta 2 and tan theta 2 are defined as sin theta 2 equal to sin theta 2 equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, next cos theta 2 is defined as cos theta 2. Cos theta 2 is defined as adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, tan theta 2 is defined as tan theta 2 is defined as opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, now from the figure, now we are applying the sin theta 2, cos theta 2 and tan theta 2 to right angle triangle ABC. Okay, now from the figure, from the figure from the figure from the figure cos sin theta 2 is defined as sin theta 2 equal to what? Sin theta 2 equal to what? Sin theta 2 equal to AB by AC. Okay, opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, so AB by AC. AB by AC. Okay, equation number 5. Okay, now cos theta 2 is defined as cos theta 2 is defined as BC by AC. BC by AC. Okay, this is equation number 6. Okay, now tan theta 2 is defined as tan theta 2 is defined as tan theta 2 is defined as AB by BC. AB by BC. Okay, AB by BC. Okay, now this is equation number 7. Okay, now we have divided equations 5 and 6. Okay, dividing equations 5 and 6. Dividing equations 5 and 6. We get sin theta 2 by cos theta 2. Sin theta 2 by cos theta 2. Cos theta 2 equal to sin theta 2 divided by cos theta 2. Okay, sin theta 2 divided by using division symbol we have to write sin theta 2 divided by cos theta 2. Cos theta 2. Okay, and then nothing but equal to sin theta 2 mod sin theta 2 AB by AC. Okay, AB by AC. Divided by cos theta 2 BC by AC. Okay, BC by AC. BC by AC. Okay, now equal to AB by AC. AB by AC. Division into multiplication. Okay, so the next part become as a reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal means and writing a fraction in the reverse order. Okay, and then nothing but AC by BC. Okay, so AC get cancelled. AC get cancelled. Okay, now what is remaining equal to AB by BC. Okay, that is nothing but equal to tan theta 2. Tan theta 2. Okay, tan theta 2 हम equation number 7. Okay, हम equation number 7. Okay, now so what we got, what is obtained, therefore sin theta 2 by cos theta 2 equal to sin theta 2 by cos theta 2 equal to tan theta 2. Cos theta 2 equal to tan theta 2. Tan theta 2. So sin theta by cos theta equal to sin theta 2 by cos theta 2 equal to tan theta 2. This is equation number 8. Okay, now from equation 4 and 8, we can prove that sin theta by cos from equation 4 and 8. Okay, from equation 4 and 8. From equation 4 and 8, we can prove that sin theta by from equation 4 and 8 we can prove that sin theta by cos theta equal to sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Okay, sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Okay, this is your theorem number 4. Sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Okay, remaining things we can discuss in next class. Okay, thank you.